Matt here again, and today I'm going to give you a tour around this 42-foot toy hauler fifth wheel trailer. It's Grand Design Momentum, one of the highest end fifth wheels that you can buy. Come and check it out. This trailer is being sold on the lot, but if you prefer to buy the trailer and take it somewhere else, that's an option as well. This beautiful fifth wheel trailer is on a very nicely manicured lot. Lots of beautiful flower beds. As we walk through and have a look, it's got a nice composite deck, nice patio furniture, a barbecue. All of these things are coming with the trailer, by the way. You've got a balcony on the side of the trailer, and I'll show you later on, there's actually a TV on that balcony as well. As we walk around to the back of the trailer, you've actually got a second balcony. Lots of exterior space here. And as we pivot around, again, beautifully manicured lot. This is at Victoria Lodge near St. Charles in Ontario. You really can't beat the work that this owner has done. One other cool feature about this trailer is it does have a built-in Cummins generator. You can see that under here. So even if you happen to be off-grid, you can still power this beast. Next, let's go and take a look inside. All right, so the first thing you're going to notice as we come in here is just the sheer size of this RV. You've got a beautiful island here, a nice double sink. We've got what looks like a residential size fridge, nice big fridge. You've got an oven, a stovetop, a microwave above that. So we pivot around here. Got a nice table for eating at, and a nice couch. These are both recliners as well. Tons of windows in this RV. And if we go around to this size, nice big screen TV, a fireplace below that. We've got a closet as you come in the door. So much to see. Super high ceilings in this RV. It's actually 3 AC units, one in this main area, one up in the bedroom, and one in the back space. So let's start by going up to the bedroom area. And let's have a look inside the main bathroom. So nice big shower, bigger shower than you get in your typical RV. Beautiful sink. Got 2 access doors, one here and one from the bedroom. You have a door too to close off the bedroom. Got a nice king size bed up here. Tons of storage above the bed. Nice big closet on the side here. And of course, a TV that pulls out and pivots, so you can watch TV while you're in bed. Another nice big window. AC unit up in the bedroom, so you're never going to be hot when you're sleeping in here on those nice hot days. And let's next check out the very back of the trailer. And this is a toy hauler. And this is a really cool feature because you could actually fit a side-by-side, an ATV in this toy hauler. And you can also use it as a separate bedroom. So as we look in here, you're actually seeing 2 beds. And these are actually 2 king-size beds. So if you're having company over, you can bring these beds down. You've got tons of space for sleeping. As you can see, we can see the balcony out on the back there. I'll show you that a little bit more detailed later. Got your own entry door. As we pivot around, we do have a second bathroom back here. So you've got a toilet and a sink as well. You do have hookups too for a washer and a dryer. So that's pretty neat. And as we look up at the top here, we've got another television. So 3 televisions in this trailer, actually 4. Because there is one outside as well. So next, let's go and have a look at the balcony. So this is one of 2 balconies. As we come out onto here, plenty of space to relax right under the awning. Do have another TV with speakers out here. Great place to hang out, especially if you want to be in the shade. And Next, let's go and take a look at the second balcony. Yes, you heard that right. Second balcony off the back. So you do have either the option to open these back patio doors if these beds were up and you can walk straight back out onto there, or you can come out this side door. And before I go back, I'm just going to point a few things out in this toy hauler area. So as I mentioned, it can fit an ATV, it can fit a side-by-side, and you can see that there's some hooks for some ratchet straps on the bottom here, and it is an outdoor style floor, so nice and easy to clean in those situations where you do bring an ATV back here and then you do want to keep it a nice clean area. Give you a look at that top bed as well. And now let's go around the back and have a look at this second balcony. And by the way, the second balcony is actually also your ramp. So right now it's hooked up by cables that we can see right here, but if I pull those cables off, that'll fall right down to the ground, and that's the ramp that you would use to bring your ATV up. There's also a stairway that's not on here right now, but you can hook up a stairway so that you can walk right up onto the balcony. Another nice big outdoor space. Pretty cool, and there is a manual awning on the back here as well that you can pull out, so you have a nice covered area. As we continue around the outside of the trailer, you can see that there's two awnings on this side. We've got this awning and another one near the front. This is a tri-axle trailer. Given its size, that shouldn't be a surprise to you. But boy, does this RV have a lot to offer. If it's something that you're interested in coming to check out, like I said, it is for sale. Leave a comment below and I will get you in touch with the owner. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It really does help us out. And don't forget to come back tomorrow to see where we go next.